Hey guys, I posted a video talking about the Chanel private sale where everything on sale was marked down 40% off, and I got a few things. So I wanted to share them with you real quick while the sale is still going on. My understanding is it will be ending soon in early January. So check out my video if you have not already. I give a lot of prices. I talk about where and how to purchase these items because unfortunately these are not available online. You have to go in store or shop with a sales associate. But I picked up a few things and they are all here. So starting off with the most controversial, because I know that a lot of you will not be a fan of this style, but I know my style and I know what I will use, and I just thought they were so cute. So it's a pair of shoes. Okay, let me just show it to you. I already unboxed everything just to make sure everything was fine. I got a little camellia. So starting off with the most comfy pair of shoes and the least expensive from my haul, I got a pair of these black Chanel mules, clogs, whatever you want to call them, platform little clogs. These are adorable. It has a shearling lining, and I thought this was fabric, but actually I think this is suede. And then you have the gold little turn lock, and then these wedge platforms. It's got a little chunky heel and a rubber sole. These are going to be my dog walking shoes. I just find that I've been wearing flats so much more just when I'm running around with my kids, with the dog. I know I'll get so much use out of these. I think they're so cute. Here's the box. So I got this in a size 36 and it runs pretty true to size. Also, can you see? This is from 21B. I don't know which one is B. I think A is fall. I don't know. I don't know the codes, but it's from 2021. This retailed for $11.50, and with the 40% off, I got these for $6.90. Maybe pricey for a pair of just very comfortable mules, but if I calculate it by the price per use, I think it's pretty affordable for a pair of Chanel shoes. And then next up, I have another pair of shoes. These are sandals. I just love this style because, again, I know that I will get a lot of use out of this. Here are the receipts. And then with some of these shoes, you get a little kind of a care booklet. Again, I got the ribbon and camellia, and I just kind of threw it in here after I open it up. Normally with Chanel unboxings, I do kind of a true unboxing, but because these were on sale, I just wanted to make sure that they were in good condition before I unboxed it for you. But this is what I got. I got these gold flat sandals, and I guess, what is that style called? A T? Because I wear a size 36, I usually have to make sure that these were not on display and not worn out and like tried on and stuff and scuffed. But these are brand new. You can see how shiny the bottoms are. These are very shiny, not scuffed at all. I think these were probably never even tried on because they are in perfect condition. I just love these leafy designs of the buckles and the CC logo. I think this would be so cute in the summer. These are actually a good length on me, but it's kind of narrow. So if you have very wide feet, maybe try it on. So gold sandals, I'll show what it says on here. So this is from 22A, and these retail for $1,200 and were on sale 40% off, down to $720 for these gold Chanel sandals. This video is very generously sponsored by Dossier Fragrances. They make some of my favorite dupes, my favorite alternatives to very expensive luxury designer fragrances. This is floral grapefruit, and it tells you the notes up here. This has top notes of grapefruit, pear, blackcurrant, middle notes hyacinth, jasmine, lilac, and base notes orris, musk, and amberwood. And this is an exact dupe for my favorite fragrance from Chanel. This is the Chanel Chanso Tendre. This one is especially engraved with my name, but you can see I have a very big dent in here. And when I apply perfume, I am definitely an over sprayer. I can go through a bottle of fragrance very quickly because I like to start with a very heavy base layer of perfume. What I love about Dossier is I like to pair Dossier fragrances with the corresponding luxury designer inspiration. So I'll generally start off the day with a heavy spray of the designer perfume, and then throughout the day I'll follow up with Dossier. This way I'm not going through the expensive one so quickly. Another one of my favorite Dossier fragrances is Powdery Coconut, which is an exact dupe of the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. And you can see that I have pretty much gone through this entire bottle because Tom Ford fragrances are very expensive. So I like to start off with maybe 3, 4, 5 sprays of the Soleil Blanc, and then throughout the day, especially in the summer when fragrances tend to wear a little faster, I will just follow up with the Dossier one. As you can see, I have really gone through this bottle. Fortunately, Dossier has some great sales going on right now. It's a great time to stock up. They come out with new fragrances all the time, and they have some great dupes to your favorite fragrances from Chanel, Dior, Tom Ford, Le Labo, Viktor and Rolf, Gucci, all of your favorites. I will include some of my favorites down below, and I'll include all of the information to the discounts where you can always use my promo code to save some money. But I definitely always recommend pairing a fragrance with its Dossier counterpart. Okay, those first two pairs I got from the Chanel store, and these next two items I got on sale were actually from the Chanel in Nordstrom. And this I got because I had a ton of Nordstrom notes, and I had a Nordstrom gift card that I recently got for Christmas. So I figured, why not? It's a pair of heels. Even though I don't wear a lot of heels these days, I figured this is a great pair because they are closed toe and they just look super comfortable. But it's this super cute black velvet wedge heels, and I got this in the size 36.5. I just love the little cap toe. I love the gold trim. It's velvet, and it's a very comfortable looking wedge with an ankle strap. These retail for $1,400, and so I got these for $840. All right, I'm looking at my Nordstrom receipt, and because I cashed in all those notes and then I had a gift card, I ended up only paying $418 for these Chanel wedge heels that originally retailed for $1,400. And then the fourth and final Chanel sale item that I got for 40% off is another pair of shoes. Yes, I ended up buying 4 pairs of Chanel shoes on sale. There were some accessories that I was considering if you watch the video, but I ended up passing on all the fashion accessories. By the way, when you buy a designer item from Nordstrom, you get this little special card. I was so excited when these were available in my size because initially when they checked, it wasn't available. But in my last video, I talk about how you can be a little flexible with certain sizing. And so they had this pair of boots that I was eyeing right away. These were the first pair of shoes that I wanted, and they didn't have it, but then they did. So I was so excited. And it is these gold trim wedge booties, very similar to the wedge velvet wedge sandals that I just showed. This was the final thing I got. I wouldn't have bought those wedge sandals if this was available first. I like those, so I think I'm gonna hold on to those, but I just love these boots. Here they are, brand new, again, no scuffing or anything. And these I really sized up. These are a 37.5. Again, I usually wear a 36, but I figure with boots, I always go usually half a size up anyway. In this case, I went up a full size and a half, but they actually fit, and I actually don't mind that it's a little oversized at the ankle because then it's not so tight, and then it's just a little more spacious around the widest part of my feet. But I would usually wear thick socks anyway with these. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. So these are the priciest shoes I got from the Chanel sale. These retail for $1,775 and I paid $1,065. So my fourth and my favorite Chanel sale splurge. All right, guys, those are the 4 things I got during this Chanel private sale for 40% off. Again, check out my other video where I show more pictures and prices of what's available. The sale will end very soon, so hopefully you can get your hands on something in your size. Sizing and styles are very limited, I think, at this point. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you shopped the Chanel sale and what you guys ended up getting. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.